Hello again, good morning. Grey and misty start for many of us this morning, but the wettest weather really across Scotland as we begin Tuesday. The far north of Scotland, dry, bright, a frost here as we begin the day. The cold air in the far north blocking the progress for this rain moving much further north, and so it's stalling now. It's moved into central Scotland. It's going to more or less stay where it is through much of the day. Northern Ireland now brightening up after a damp start, and for England and Wales, actually a lot of dry weather, if rather dull and misty first thing. But the cloud does tend to lift through the day. Some brighter skies emerging for the Midlands, eastern parts of England as well by the afternoon. But the wind picks up this afternoon, especially for western shores of England and Wales. Further pulses of heavy rain move into western England and Wales by the end of the afternoon. But it's this rain in the far north that just hangs on through the day, and for parts of the far north of Scotland, well, those rainfall amounts will tot up through the day. It's also going to feel cold under that rain and a keen easterly wind. Further south, much milder temperatures with a southwesterly wind bringing in fairly humid conditions. Again, a return to grey, misty skies through Tuesday night, a lot of murk around. And really through the night, we'll just see pulses of rainfall moving across the country from the west to the east at times, but there'll also be a lot of dry weather. We keep that big temperature contrast up and down the country with particularly mild temperatures in the south, 13 degrees at the start of Wednesday compared to 3 or 4 in the far north. But Wednesday itself, we'll see the rainfall become focused across this central swathe of Britain, and we can follow this weather front all the way down towards the southwest, where we're drawing up a lot of humid air, a lot of mild air, but a lot of moisture at the same time. And as that moisture pushes into the higher ground of western England and Wales, well, it will dump a lot of rainfall. So for northwest England, for parts of Wales and later on the southwest, heavy prolonged rainfall. A yellow warning's in force for the north of England because the rainfall really will mount up through the day. To the southeast, we keep the mild air but largely dry weather for a time on Wednesday, increasingly strong winds developing. To the far north, again, a cold day but a little brighter. Could see a few wintry showers.